As a boy, our founder began recycling his mother's leftover canning paraffins by pouring it into milk cartons to make candles. Years later, he rekindled his passion for candle making. In 1993, Village Candle was born. Using a 2-burner stove, candles were made for family and friends. Those first candles, made with care and Maine craftsmanship, were the sparks that fueled a global sensation that is finding its way into millions of homes around the world. Today, Village Candle is beloved by fragrance lovers all around the world, and our passion for New England craftsmanship burns stronger than ever. All candles are proudly made in Wells, Maine, using only the highest quality food-grade paraffin wax and finest ingredients for a clean, long-lasting fragrance experience. Artistry and authenticity are at the heart of everything we do. Thank you to all who have inspired us and have embraced Village Candle. From our village to yours.